don't really know how to start this video. We're gonna do makeup. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AudreyAnn and I post girly fashion and beauty videos and vlogs. So as you guys can tell by the title, I am showing you guys a makeup routine for a mask. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm first going to say what we're not doing, which is face makeup, because with the mask and the whole face makeup, it can give you acne, and I am not for that, but I am for you doing whatever you want to do. So if you want to do face makeup, go for it. I will just not be doing that today. So because we won't have to worry about half of our face, we can really focus on the eye area, and I'm so excited. I love doing eyeshadow now, and it's just so fun to make it totally extra. So the first thing we're gonna do is our eyebrows, because eyebrows really make a difference. What I like to use is an eyeshadow, and I use the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, and I just use the darkest brown up here. You can use any shade, whatever is good for you, whatever fits your hair. I like to match the eyebrow color to the hair color, and you're just going to do the eyebrows. And this is really great because whenever you have eyeshadow or an eyebrow pencil, you can really make whatever shape of an eyebrow you want. So if your eyebrows, like mine, are not the same shape, it's okay. All right, and here are the almost complete eyebrows. And what I like to do is take the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I just like to go through my eyebrows just so that they stay put and don't, you know, go crazy. Or however you do your eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows like this. And now we have our eyebrows done, beautifully matching our hair. If it seems dark, it's really not, because we just don't have eyeshadow on or mascara. Honestly, I kind of do think I made them a little dark. Next, we're gonna do our eyes. So first we're gonna do eyeshadow, and I'm again going to use the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette just because it's nice and natural colors, but there are also some beautifully sparkly colors in here. So you're first gonna take a dark brown shade, not too dark. We're gonna do this one in the middle, and we're just gonna put that on, what's it called, your outer lid? It's like between your eye and your eyebrow, but we're just gonna put it right here. If there's like a huge line, we're gonna blend it out later, so no worries. We're just gonna blend the sides so there aren't any harsh lines, because that's really gross. We have the dark part now, and we're gonna go in with, and you're gonna get like a nice white color, and we're just gonna put that on the base of our lid. Is that what it's called? And the reason we put white on top is so that the glittery eyeshadow will really show up, and because all the attention is drawn to our eyes, might as well draw it even more. So I'm just gonna take this brush. I think it's supposed to be a concealer brush, but it really packs on glitter, or just use your finger. I'm gonna use the brush though. And you're just gonna take literally any sparkly color, whatever you really feel like. I'm gonna go with this rose gold color. And you're just gonna pack that on your eyelid. There we go, yes. All the glitter. So now we have a bunch of sparkle on our eyes and nice glitter. Now what you can do next is use some eyeliner, and I usually put this on before my eyeshadow because I'm gonna mess up, because I'm not really great at it yet. So if I mess up, then I can just wipe it off without having to redo my eyeshadow. But if you're good at this, then definitely put some eyeliner on. Once you've done your eyeliner, we're gonna head straight for mascara. We're going to really curl this so it is just the curliest eyelashes you've ever seen. And then you're also gonna not just curl the base, but like pinch it going up, and then it gets so curly. You could also use some falsies if you wanted to. I personally don't have money to go get falsies. If I did, I would, but I clearly don't have any money. So there's the one eye. We're gonna come back and do a second layer, obviously, but we're gonna do the next eye. Beautiful. I love mascara. Okay, now that the other side is dry, we're gonna go back and add another layer of mascara, of course, and really try and do the tips. Don't forget to do the tips of the eyelashes because that's what really shows up. So I make sure to do a few layers on the tips of the eyelashes. See? Big difference. Now, I always have some problems with my right eye for some reason. Just with my eyelashes, they're just always so annoying and they're never as long. Maybe I could curl them one more time. Whoa, that worked. Now that we have our mascara on, you can really see that the eyebrows don't look that dark. Now, what I know a lot of people do is put mascara on their bottom eyelashes, which totally do if that's what you do, because that obviously is gonna look so cute. So totally do that. I just don't think it looks good on me. My bottom eyelashes are really long and it looks like I'm crying. So it's never good for me. The final thing I love to do is do nose contour. We still have this little area up here. So what I do is I take actually the same eyeshadow brush that I used earlier, and we're just gonna use a lighter brown or whatever you use for your contour, and you're literally just gonna contour just the top half of your nose because no one's gonna know. And now the top half of my nose is contoured. And then to finish it off, we're gonna throw on some highlighter. We're just gonna go down the top half. And then while you have the highlighter out, just throw some on in your inner corner for a little extra sparkle. And then I'm also gonna put on some powder on my forehead. My hair is not agreeing with me today. So that is literally it. It's so easy, but nobody knows that you didn't completely go off with your entire face. And we're done. We have our whole little mask makeup look. Yay! All right, so we are done. It's so easy. It takes like barely any time. One thing I did forget though is to mention concealer. If you want to do concealer, because sometimes it can still show up when you have your mask on, do concealer before you do anything else. I just don't have one that matches me. But yeah, so now we have a really cute mask look, and you can also avoid acne at the same time because you have no makeup on the bottom half of your face. So that is all for today. I really hope that I was able to help you a little bit. I hope you like this look, and if you recreate it, definitely put it on your story and tag my Instagram. If you're private, send me a photo and I'll respond. I'm pretty good at responding to my DMs. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun makeup tutorial. If you liked this video and girly fashion and beauty videos, feel free to subscribe down below to become a part of our royal family and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. My Instagram is love.AudreyAnn, so if you feel like it, you can follow me on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Ooh. Looking fab tonight. Wow, gorgeous.